Like approach with the community, I've been able to approach them. Even though there is no money there, they were able to believe in these guys, this community, to come and help them, so that proud to that they can get some money somewhere. Honorable, Karen, give me your name.
My name is Honorable Noah Dogan. As I'm speaking with you, I am an assembly member because they've not yet sworn them in.
Okay.
Yes, I withdraw from the assembly because of this job.
Okay.
I don't want to contest any longer because the pressure on me is too much for the company.
Okay.
So I withdrew.
Okay.
As I said, my name is Honorable Noah Dogan.
Okay.
We were originated from Penny.
Okay.
But I was born and bred in Adan.
Okay.
So I'm called Dogan.
Okay.
I got to know Anyanui for about, let's say, 11, 12 years ago.
Okay.
We want to have a shrimp project at Fuveme.
Okay. Yeah, I know
yeah,
that side.
Fuveme, at 30.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So we have Togbi Azameti as our Volta regional rep for Dansma Aquaculture, the shrimp project here.
Okay.
Togbi Azameti is our Volta regional rep.
Okay.
So we use this floater and excavator on our farm, and Togbi Azameti saw it before. So quickly, when this tidal wave blocked and swallowed Fuveme, and there is no way to fly from Adanfo to Anyanui, quickly Togbi Azameti and his elders, they ran to us in Adan to come to their aid. But my director said, Honorable, what these people are saying is not a small matter. And I said, yes, it will never be a small matter, but they ran to you for solution. So let us find solution to them and run it to us.
Okay.
So they came. They said, Honorable, unless you go and see what is happening. We asked them whether they write to government and other big guys. They said, yes, they did, but nobody come to their aid. They were forcing to excavate their own small way.
I remember I was there with them when they are using their own manpower.
Their own manpower.
To dig that canal.
Yes. So, in fact, because I'm the PRO of the company, my director respects me a lot. And whatever I tell him, he just say, yo, go ahead, so far as you are saying it. And the people don't have one Ghana city. They said we should open this thing 50 meters by 1 kilometer. They said we should come and open it. Where we are standing here, VRA is supposed to do this for them. Exactly, VRA is supposed to do. But you know, we are all Ghanaians. VRA don't have this machine. VRA wish they have some, but they don't. And you know, government cry always about private partnership project. Sometimes government say private partnership is the engine of growth in development. Yes. Fine. So if VRA will have this machine and they partner them to be desilting all their water bodies, like the recent spillage will never damage anything. Look at money the state spent in rescuing victims. Over billions,
reconstructing of buildings.
Yes, over billions of cities, and they don't pay attention here because this water here, because the place is in a hidden, it's not like road for everybody to see. They don't value what is happening here. I was here 3 months ago. As I'm speaking today, the mangroves are drying immediately. They are drying faster. They don't have fresh water. Eggs of fishes. Fishes are not laying eggs. These mangroves are not here for mangrove's sake. They play an important role for this river, but nobody is paying attention. So I told my director, please let us come to their aid. And director asked me, so Honorable, how would they pay? Look at the expenditure. The operator alone is almost $60,000 when we brought him. And before you take this man, there are processes before they will release him. They pay attention to any citizen in Vietnam. It's not like Ghana, you just wake up today, you travel anywhere you like. No, this man here, The government of Vietnam know he is in our care. So he is expensive. No black man can do what he's doing now unless you have been trained. So the cost of this project is around, Togbi mentioned that he does not get there properly. Let me open it and show. It's around 178,857,000 Ghana cedis. But after we do this job here, this machine is worn out, total scrap. The floater, we have to buy new, we have to build new one from Vietnam. This one was built from Vietnam. We have to build new one. So as we converted the cost in Ghana cedi, it is 14,308,560 Ghana dollars. 14 million plus US dollars. So director asked me, Honorable, now you hear, because of the assessment they did, all is here. I can even review it for listeners to hear, but because of time, he said, Honorable, yourself, you see the cost. How can they pay? And I said, Director, let us use common sense to save life. My name is Common Sense anyway. Then he laughed. Said, how can you use this common sense to save
this kind of money?
14 million plus. I said, Director, let us bring media to support these people because we are to support. Let the media come. Let us float a donation of $1 per 30 million people in the whole world. Because United Nations Ramsar site, here we are standing, is for United Nations. This is part of their Ramsar site. And they invest a lot of money into this mangrove. So if we are coming to do this, the United Nations, who knows this Ramsar site belongs to them, can also come to our aid. Maybe their reps on the ground doesn't send reports like this to them. So this coverage will enable them know what is going on. So I said, $1 each times 30 million people in the world will get 30 million US dollars. From here to, let's say, this town.
Keta.
Not Keta, because Keta, Houthi, you see, when you go, you follow the canal. I did the search. Some places are deep, some places are shallow. So when we open the volume of water that will be going, we have to deepen the canal again. So all these will be added to the 14 plus million. But there are also other links that are drying because of this. So before we open, we have to desilt those other links too, so that the waters can, circulate through all its original channels. That is why the cost is at this level. So nobody gave me 1 CD, but I am risking my life for Votarians because of my name. I am risking my life. My director can fire me and I have no work anywhere again, but I don't care. But Votarians, please don't disappoint me. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Spread this message worldwide. I want people, even this one, president himself was also here. You see, they think president alone can do all. No, as I'm doing it, when president see, he will feel it that no, there's somebody who is also supporting me. So quickly, let me order those who can sign check to go and give it to them to do the work for me. But I think the aides of the presidency too, I don't want to condemn anybody anyway, but they are not working. Institutions are not working. They don't bother anybody. Nobody care. There's something haunting Ghana. And Ghanaians, we are not smart. Climate change, these are the signs. Very soon, there will be hunger. Serious hunger in Ghana. And when that hunger comes, no fish, no food, no firewood. Can you buy gas? These mangroves here, we cut them, we plant again. We cut them, we plant again. It's the source of fuel from here to Togo. But they are dying. They cannot survive. What do? Do you wait till the danger day, or prevention is cure? I don't use prevention is better than cure. Prevention is cure. If you prevent it from not happy, what do? You cure it. So prevention is cure. These are the problems this water body is bringing into from here, as we are standing here, to Lomé. Yesterday, people were coming to Anyanui market from Adan. They grounded here. They grounded because they dug some small canal closer to the sea, and they've not done it well. So it's bringing the sand rather into the water, into the land. I gave you 1 man. There will be a heap of sand here which nobody can fly from Adanfo to Anyanui again. Just 1 man. If they like, we stop this machine and wait whether it will happy or it will not happy. But because we've started, what we need is to raise the fund. Let everybody. I know big guys in water. 1 man can pay $14 million. I gave 10 people in vote. They can pay this money. But did you inform them? Is the question. Who misses his debtor? If I owe you, I will not be calling you. You see, unless you call me and I will respond. You see, so how do they ask them? How do they call them? I am pleading to the whole world to come to these people's aid. People who come here, tourism is not boosting. Farming is not boosting. Look, the land here, if this water is open, I am standing on my feet telling the whole world that Anyanui enclaves alone can give Ghana $4 billion every 4 years. 4 billion every 4 years. US dollars, not cedis, US dollars, because this land is good for aquaculture, be it tilapia or shrimp. Being tiger shrimp or white shrimp. Shrimp, we have 2 categories. We have white shrimp and we have tiger shrimp. Tiger shrimp is very expensive. White shrimp is like the one in the Keta Lagoon. But that one too is expensive. You know you cannot buy it yourself. As you are closer to the lagoon self, you can't buy. So what of if 1 youth, 1 pond, and we have 5,000 youths in Anglon district? We will have 5,000 pounds, and 5,000 pounds with 5 tons of shrimp in 1 pond. We will have more than even the money they are demanding from IMF, and they are bluffing us. We have money here, but we don't know how to solicit for it. I am telling you, after we open this water, I want to help, especially Anglon State. I want to help the youth. I was in this town for 2 weeks. What I witnessed in this town, I gave you next 2 years. You will sit in your house and young guy will come and gun you down and take 10 cedis from you. Too much hunger in the system. No food, no work, nothing. When the youth wakes up, they go and sit down under a tree doing nothing, and nobody cares. And Ghana, our big men, know how to store money in their room. They don't invest money into businesses. Though the youth too, sometimes when you invest money, they steal what you do. But there are technologies. We will handle those stealing, petty stealing. We call them petty stealing. You cannot steal more than the owner. But if the job is too much, that stealing will be over. So I am pleading to Anglos in the diaspora, especially he who get Kevin Taylor's number. They should track Kevin Taylor to raise funds to open this water body for us. That guy is doing something better for Mother Ghana. But Ghanaians hate him for no reason, because they hate the truth. But Kevin Taylor is the junior messiah for Ghana. Thank you. I will not talk too much.